up that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with the lovely Beauty Forever. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous blonde highlight chocolate brown unit. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig in LooseWave and 180 density. I am literally living for this hair. The curls are everything, and in today's video I showed you guys how I did my curls, how I did the install, as well as the edges / wavy hairs. So if you'd like to see how I did that, just keep on watching. And as always, the hair or wig I'm using in my video will be linked in the description box at the top, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out and purchase. And once you do that and it arrives, just follow along with me for your perfect melted install.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 How you want to run like a nothing? I think that's coming and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see. Why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have burned the way you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me.
Okay babes, I am back, and this wig that I have on my head is from Beauty Forever Hair. They went ahead and sent me this blonde highlight 13x4 LooseWave wig unit. It is with chocolate brown, and it's honestly giving more of a 1B, but that is just pretty much the description of the wig, and this is how that chocolate brown looks. It's very similar to a 1B. And yeah, it is in 24 inches and LooseWave. I did go ahead and did some curls in it, and because of this LooseWave texture, this hair is literally gonna stay like this in this gorgeous curl wavy pattern, and I am living for it. I went ahead and I layered this unit, so you are seeing some sort of definition, a lot of volume to this wig. It is a 180 density, but it is actually very light and airy, and I just decided, you know, layers would just elevate the wig just a little bit. So that is what I decided to do, and I'm living for it. So this curled part is gonna stay like this. Like, everything is just perfect about this wig. It was so easy to install. This lace, like, 8, okay, period. And I went ahead and did a TikTok video on it, so definitely don't forget to go ahead and check out my TikTok if you'd like to see it. If you'd like to purchase this unit, definitely check the links in the description box below for you to do so. And once again, thank you so much to Beauty Forever for sending me this absolutely stunning wig. I love it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.